안녕하세요, 여러분 반갑습니다. Let's write one beautiful Korean sentence together. Today's sentence is 오늘도 수고했어요. This means you did a good job today. Thank you for your hard work today. Koreans say this at the end of the day, after work, after studying, or after a long day. 오늘도 수고했어요. Let's write together. 오늘도 수고했어요.